Hi, today we are gonna go over the booking links. Booking links is something you have to generate uniquely per customer. Imagine this scenario. Your potential client sends you an email, or they send you a message via WhatsApp, or they send you via Instagram, it doesn't matter. Your customer contacts you and you discuss back and forth. After a while, you agree on all the details. The customer accepts like the project you propose, he accepts the artist that you suggest. You informed him about the price and the deposit you want, and all arrangements are made. Now, you have to go to the step where you suggest a date to your customer. One date or maybe multiple dates in case of a sleeve, for example. I'm pretty sure you all know this scenario where you list like 3 available dates to your customer and they have to pick one. The customer waits, let's say 3 days before they answer. Then they answer, oh, this date that you suggested out of the list suits me. By the time the customer replied, that date is not available anymore in your calendar. So you have to reply the client with new dates. And then the client has to choose again a new date. And sometimes it goes back and forth a few times before you actually chosen a date. With a booking link, it goes differently. Again, you discuss everything via chat or mail or whatever until the project is done. And then instead of suggesting the dates, just typing them, you are going to provide a booking link. And if the customer clicks that link, they can choose a date. I'm going to show you an example. Here I generate a booking link. I say for which artist of my team that I am generating this booking link. The price that I told the customer was 800. Or maybe 8 to 900 if you give price ranges instead. You want 150 deposits. The project title was a bumblebee, for example. You want the customer to choose 3 sessions. This price was per session. And you choose 3 day sessions. A day session, for example, is 6 hours, so that would make 360 minutes that you want from this client. In the description, you can say booked via mail or whatever, blah, 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 information about your project. You generate your link with this button, and now you get your link. Now you're gonna copy the link and you provide this link to your customer. So you reply to the last email and you say, cool, if you wanna book this in, please click this link to choose your dates. The customer gets the link and they click it, and then it looks like this. Never mind the colors on my screen, you can change the colors for your own shop in your branding settings. What does your customer see? You schedule your appointment with Beavis England, which is just demo data, of course. Here the customer is reminded of the price that you have told them before in the email. You ask them the deposit, or you mention which deposit you are gonna ask. Each appointment is approximately 6 hours, and you want them to pick 3 sessions. Now they can choose, for example, the customer clicks on 27th. Here they choose a starting day. Now they go a month later. They choose a second session. And again, a month later, they might, now the artist is not available anymore. The artist does not allow bookings this far ahead. So just for demonstration, I'm gonna pick 23. And now the second session, sorry. And now I'm gonna choose the third session. Here you see the chosen dates listing, adding. The customer can remove it also, but now he's gonna add the third session, and as soon as enough sessions are chosen, the system takes the customer to the next page. Voila, here the customer is asked for his name. I'm gonna use my own details, doesn't matter, voila. And if the customer now clicks confirm appointment, this is where it gets nice, they are taken to a payment page. So they cannot confirm their appointment without paying a deposit. So the customer will fill out their payment details. They will make the payment of 150 deposits. So back to your calendar. Here you see the booking link that I generated. Each link that you generate is going to show in this table. You can click on the link again if you wanted to provide it to your customer again. And here you see no booking has been made yet. If it gives a name, then it means the booking has been made. It means the customer paid the deposit. I'm not going to go through a payment process now for the video, but here, if it has the name, I mean, it would mean the customer really made the booking. And if they did, you can unfold it and you can see when they made the booking. What else can you see? Was it for a tattoo? Yeah, it's always then the project title. Was a bumblebee? Who was the artist? Who created the booking? Is there a deposit paid? What was the price and when did you create it? You can also remove it just for cleaning out your table. That's most of it. What else can I say? The times where a customer can choose from, you can define them per artist. So I made a booking link for Beavis, England. I'm going to go to artists. I'm going to search for Beavis, which is my resident artist. And then if I go to working hours, you see the first alinea explains it, booking link settings. After you discussed the project with your customer by email or DM or WhatsApp and agreed on price, generate a personal booking link and send it to your customer. From that link, your customer can choose the dates and pay their deposit. Customers can only choose dates that fall between these working hours. And if you scroll down a bit, these are the working hours for my artist. So this artist decided that he only wants to work these 4 dates. What else can you say? Buffer time. Add 5 minutes of free time after each booked appointment, so they get a break. The future limit. You can only book 1 month into the future. That's why November got disabled a minute ago. The customers are only allowed to book with at least 1 day ahead, so they cannot book today anymore. The earliest is tomorrow. And then the start increment time is 15 minutes, which is the frequency of available time slots for customers. There we go. I hope this helped.